Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, Brevo, formerly Sending in Blue, is a popular platform for email and even SMS marketing. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to integrate it in Shopify. Well, first thing first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way to the Brevo, basically website, to sign in or up to our dashboard. So basically, we're gonna go to our platform here, look for Brevo, then go all the way. It's here where you're gonna tap on sign up for free, then use your email address and password to create an account. Then we're gonna go back to Shopify, our Shopify store here, tap on apps, then add, go all the way to Shopify app store. We're gonna go and look for Brevo app, then hit enter. So basically, we're gonna go all the way and install this one. For example, tap on install, give it every authorization needed, then connect your account. Authorize the connection between Shopify and Brevo as I told you. Then enable customer and order synchronization. Choose which data you want to sync. Enable transactional emails. This allows order confirmations and even some updates. Then create an email campaign or workflow. Set up welcome emails or even some abundant cart messages. Test the integration by submitting a test, sign up, or even a place test order. You can also enable double opt-in if required by your region. Use Brevo automation templates to save time as well. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.